what is a significant figure? So a significant figure is any digit in a number that helps inform you of the size of that number. Now that can sound a little vague, so here are 4 rules to help you determine if a figure is significant or not. So all non-zero numbers are significant. So any number that is not 0, any digit that's not 0 is significant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, zeros that are between significant figures are significant. So if it's not a 0, it's definitely significant. If it is a 0 and it appears between 2 significant figures, that 0 is also significant. Leading zeros are not significant, so that's leading zeros are zeros to the left of a number. And trailing zeros to the right of a decimal are significant. So after the decimal point, any zeros that happen at the end of a number on the right are significant. So let's put these rules into practice. Let's see what that looks like with specific numbers. So how many significant figures do these have? So here, 5 and 3 are significant. So those two are definitely significant. And then this is what we call trailing zeros. So those here are trailing zeros, they are not significant. So that means this has 2 significant figures. I'll put SF for short. Here, 6 and 3 are definitely significant. This 0 that's between these two is also significant because it's between significant figures. Then again, we've got more trailing zeros here. So this time is 3 significant figures. Okay, here we go, 0.00045. Well, 4 and 5 are definitely significant, they're not 0. These zeros here, these are what are called leading zeros. So this is the leading zeros we mentioned earlier. So these leading zeros are not significant. 4 and 5 are significant. So that's 2 significant figures. Okay, so trailing zeros here to the right, not significant. Leading zeros, also not significant. Now, here's a weird one, 0.00230. So the 2 and the 3 are significant. This time, that 0 is significant. So this was that weird rule at the end. Trailing zeros to the right of a decimal are significant. So this is a trailing 0 after the decimal point. That one is significant. This has 3 significant figures. 50.07. So here, the 5 and the 7 are significant because they're not 0. And then these zeros that are between significant figures also count. This one has 4 significant figures. 50.070. Well, the 5 and the 7 are definitely significant. These are between significant figures, so they're also significant. And this is a trailing 0 after a decimal point. That has to also be significant. This one, every single one of those is significant. That is 5 significant figures. So, once again, here are the rules. Why don't you try to have a go at applying those rules to these questions? How many significant figures do each of these have? Pause the video, have a go, and I'm going to reveal the answers in 3, 2, 1. Thank you.